Lauren here, the Director of Marketing at Great Life Worldwide, and I am extremely excited to talk about our formula ProCleanse today with each of you. So let's go ahead and get started. First of all, let's break down gut health. Did you know your gut impacts your entire body's health? Now, to my knowledge, this is becoming a lot more well-known amongst people, and I feel like people are becoming more educated about this fact. But what I want to do today is also break down the reasonings behind this statement. Here are 6 reasons you should listen to your gut. Aches and pains. Poor gut health is associated with minor but unpleasant effects on the body, such as abdominal pain, bloating, acid reflux, and flatulence are possible effects, as are headaches, fatigue, and joint pain. It activates the immune system and creates a protective barrier. Good bacteria in the gut, also called beneficial gut flora, strengthen the gut wall, which protects the rest of the body from potential pathogens by acting as a layer of cells and chemical barriers. Gut flora activate immune functions in the cells, thereby ensuring that physical barriers to the infection are in place. Furthermore, flora affect the pH of the gut, keeping it relatively acidic and therefore hostile to invading bacteria. Good bacteria regulates inflammation. The bacteria in your gut either activate or suppress inflammation as a means of regulating the immune system. Some of this is gut wall related. When the wall is compromised, potential pathogens can enter the bloodstream, which consequently activates inflammation. And inflammation is the go-to response of the gut's immune system to imbalance it and generally contributes to poor health. Digest better. A diverse composition of bacteria can strengthen and improve your digestion. Different types of bacteria have different functions that can help metabolize different specific nutrients, and gut health can therefore affect the ability of your body to absorb vitamins and minerals. Good bacteria can also keep yeast and other fermentation at bay and prevent an overgrowth of fungus and other pathogens that can activate, you guessed it, inflammation. Your gut is central to your nervous system. There are approximately 100 million nerve cells lining your gastrointestinal tract, making up the ENS, and primarily governing digestion. The nerves in your gut communicate with the brain and your central nervous system, relaying the health of the gut and immune system. The ENS can also produce neurochemicals like dopamine and serotonin, which can impact mood and mental health. New research suggests there could be a link to memory and thinking skills. In fact, the ENS is so significant that many physicians refer to the gut as a second brain. Your gut really does have feelings. Gut feelings are totally real. In addition to dopamine and serotonin, 90% of which is produced in the gut releases other major neurotransmitters that are usually associated with the brain, such as glutamate, neuropilin, nitric oxide, and enkephalins, the body's natural opiates. I'm sure you've heard this before. Happy gut, happy you. Healthy gut, healthy you. This is totally true. To further understand the impact of gut health, it's important to understand how the gut works. Let's get to it. When your GI tract digests food, it breaks it down to the most basic parts, and the valuable nutrients are absorbed through the wall of the gut to be transported through the bloodstream. To regulate this process, the gut uses nerves, bacteria, and hormones. The bacteria are of particular significance, especially because bacteria tend to get a bad rap. Bacteria form a muscular layer that strengthens the gut wall, and good digestive health is the result of a balance of good and bad bacteria. Did you know that in order to have a healthy gut, you must have a healthy gut microbiome? A healthy gut microbiome, or gut flora, is made up of bacteria, fungi, and viruses that live in the digestive tract and break down food into nutrients. This microbiome also contains good bacteria that help keep bad bacteria in check. A healthy gut microbiome has a high level of diversity in gut bacteria, where different types of microorganisms support each other. What are some things that lead to poor gut health? Not eating a diverse range of foods, a lack of prebiotics in the diet, drinking alcohol, a lack of regular physical activity, cigarette smoking, not getting enough sleep, too much stress, antibiotic use. There's a fun fact there on antibiotics, but I'm not going to go into every single detail. So if you'd like to look this up, this is kind of a fun thing to do on your own. But look up the global consumption rate of antibiotics and then look at what has happened to overall gut health in general in humanity. It is mind-boggling, guys. The world is catching on to the importance of a healthy gut. The digestive health market was valued at $49.46 billion in 2022 and is projected to reach $94.41 billion by 2030. This is pretty huge, and I'm happy to see this because it is very true. Gut health is vitally important to having optimal health. The world is definitely looking for an answer. And you guys, we have the solution. ProCleanse. You can kickstart your journey to optimum health today. ProCleanse is a gentle and effective way to move things through and clean out substances in the digestive system. It is an exclusive proprietary blend of proven ingredients designed to help cleanse the gastrointestinal tract, ease the elimination of toxins, remove unwanted microbes and wastes, promote healthy weight loss and regularity, and more. It's a natural and holistic approach. It takes a gentle, holistic approach to detoxification and digestive health, and it's ideal for those looking to support their body's natural cleansing process without harsh ingredients. Let's break down some of the actual ingredients in here. Vitamin C is a particularly interesting micronutrient which has known beneficial health effects. Vitamin C is proficiently absorbed in the proximal small intestine, as is generally the case with vitamins. The direct effect of vitamin C on the intestinal redox balance presumably plays an important gut microbiota modulating role. Vitamin C can manipulate the gut microbiota composition, leading to shifts of bacterial populations in the gut. Magnesium hydroxide. It's a laxative that is thought to work by drawing water into the intestines, an effect that helps to cause movement of the intestines. It also is used to treat symptoms caused by too much stomach acid, such as heartburn, upset stomach, or indigestion. It is an antacid that works by lowering the amount of acid in the stomach, so it's also balancing that pH effect. Sodium and sodium bicarbonate. Sodium is important for the gut, helping with nutrient absorption. Sodium helps the small intestine absorb chloride, glucose, amino acids, and water. And then you've got sodium bicarbonate, which has the ability to neutralize acid, helps treat conditions related to high acidity and bodily fluids, such as indigestion, which is caused by too much acid in the stomach. Again, pH balance. Selenium is essential for the maintenance of the immune system, conversion of thyroid hormones, protection against the harmful action of heavy metals and xenobiotics. Selenium is able to balance the microbial flora, avoiding health damage associated with dysbiosis. Experimental studies have actually shown that inorganic and organic selenium compounds are metabolized to selenium methanoid and incorporated by bacteria from the gut microflora, therefore highlighting their role in improving the bioavailability of selenium. I'm getting tongue twisted. Seleno compounds Dietary selenium can affect the gut microbiome colonization, which in turn influences the host selenium status and expression of selenoproteoma. Selenium deficiency may result in a phenotype of gut microbiota that is more susceptible to a variety of health complications. Citrobioflavonoids blend. So let's break this down. We've got hesperidin. It's a flavonoid found in citrus fruits and orange peels, and it may improve gut health and protect against digestive diseases. You've got orange peel powder. Ganna and navel orange belonging to the genus Citrus are good sources of phenolic compounds, which are mainly concentrated in the peel. It helps modulate the composition of the intestinal flora. Lemon peel powder is high in fiber and pectin, which can help with digestion, gas, heartburn, diarrhea, and constipation. It also helps to regulate the immune system and supports heart health, improving mental health, and regulating blood sugar metabolism. Quince fruit powder has a very high fiber content, which can promote digestive health by preventing constipation and promoting regular bowel movements. It also is believed to have anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, which can help support a healthy immune system and fight off infections. Papaya enzyme is used as a natural remedy in abnormal digestion in tropical and industrialized countries. The papaya contributes to the maintenance of digestive tract physiology. Papaya contains papain, a natural digestive enzyme that can help you better digest food and absorb the nutrients from that food. So it helps break down proteins in the food you eat. White chia seed powder. Chia seeds contain essential substances, including high fiber, protein, and omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds carry 40% fiber that brings them to the top of the list in providing more fiber. And I also wanted to show you guys one of the really neat things about chia seeds and how it actually functions within the body. We also have aloe vera. Aloe vera is widely promoted for the treatment of gastrointestinal disorders. It is a powerful healing agent for your gut. It helps with gut inflammation. It also helps you to provide you with more cellular energy. Chicory root contains insulin, a prebiotic fiber that feeds good bacteria in your gut, which can help with digestion, constipation, and weight loss. It can also help control cholesterol and blood sugar levels and may improve nutrient absorption. Cranberry extract have unique A-type packs which help decrease bacterial adhesion to maintain a healthy gut bacteria. This is something that's really, really important in modulating inflammatory pathways and helping the actual intestinal cells in the gut microbiota be more healthy. Buckhorn bark acting in high concentrations with a gastrointestinal lumen. These cranberry compounds may act to quench reactive oxygen species, modulate inflammatory pathways, adhere to carbohydrates and proteins on bacterial surfaces, and exert prebiotic effects to alter the dynamic crosstalk between intestinal influences and the gut microbiota. So, in conclusion, I do want to encourage you to take advantage of the powerful product to help your gut achieve optimal health. And when you give your gut the ability to perform at its best, you're also enhancing your overall health. So thank you so much for being on here and walking through this ingredient training with me, and I look forward to seeing you next time.